To reorder a new debit or credit card if it has been lost, you can follow a simple process. First, head to the card section and select the debit card that needs to be replaced. There, you will find the option to report the card as lost, stolen, or damaged. Click on this option and select Lost or Stolen to proceed. If desired, you can also choose a new color for your debit card by clicking on the pencil icon and editing the selection. Additionally, you can review your recent transactions to check for any suspicious activity. If all transactions appear legitimate, you can confirm that they are okay. However, if you notice any suspicious transactions, you can select the option to get support and contact the relevant department for assistance. Before finalizing the request, you can also review your information and make any necessary changes by clicking on the pencil icon, and then confirming the updates. Once you have completed these steps, you can select Done to complete the reorder process for your debit card.